Hello and welcome to Boston Harbor. Today, I want to take you on a journey through this iconic Boston landmark and showcase the beauty and wonder of this historical site. Boston Harbor is a complex of waterfront areas that include the Atlantic Ocean, the Charles River, and the Boston Bay. It is one of the most historic and beautiful harbors in the world, and it is home to some of the most iconic landmarks in Boston. One of the most famous landmarks in Boston Harbor is the USS Constitution. This warship, which is home to the oldest continuous operating museum in the Navy, is a testament to American history. It was here that the USS Constitution fought against the British during the American Revolution, and it is a symbol of American freedom and independence. Another landmark in Boston Harbor is the Boston Aquarium. This marine life sanctuary is home to over 7,000 animals, including marine mammals, birds, and fish. The aquarium is a popular tourist destination, and it offers visitors a chance to learn about the ocean and its inhabitants in a fun and interactive way. But Boston Harbor is not just about these landmarks. It is also about the breathtaking scenery that it offers. The Atlantic Ocean crashes against the cliffs of the Cape Cod Peninsula, creating a series of dramatic waves that can be seen from anywhere in Boston Harbor. The sunsets over Boston Harbor are some of the most beautiful in the world, and they are a must-see for any visitor. In conclusion, Boston Harbor is a magical place that offers something for everyone. Whether you are interested in history, marine life, or just beautiful scenery, Boston Harbor has it all. So the next time you are in Boston, make sure to take a walk along the water and experience the wonder of this historic and beautiful site for yourself. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Boston Harbor.